Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to Merci No Rega channel. My channel is about living a healthy life. If you want to look beautiful, amazing makeup, feel free to check me out. I use the same name on my IG, on my Facebook. I use the same name. May the good God bless you all. Hello guys, hello everyone. Today I will be harvesting my pumpkin. Today. This one is hiding under the maize tree. It's hiding there. Maybe it's staying good there. So today is harvesting day. I have already harvested tomatoes, corn. Now I will be harvesting maize, pumpkin. They come very big and beautiful. This one too is hiding under maize too. Maybe they like where it's more cold. I don't know. So today I will be doing harvesting. This one too. This one too. Today we are having a beautiful day. One of the things Italian people used to do every summer like this, they cultivate something on their backyard. They are hardworking people. Anything you are able to do by yourself, you will not buy it again. I remember those days when I was small. In our backyard, there was always plantain to eat. If one is hungry, just go there, cut the plantain, food is ready. At times yam, at times different things. For a family people, it's always a big help. It's always a big help to get things quickly like that. Thanks everyone for watching my video. May the good God bless you all. Today is amazing day, very beautiful day. Very beautiful. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Thanks for sharing me out to your friends and family. May the good God bless you all.